So just before the end of 2020, Xiaomi launched Mi 11 smartphone, which became the first phone to launch with Snapdragon 888 chipset. Now, unlike the previous generations, no Mi 11 Pro was launched at the event, and also Xiaomi didn't say anything about the phone, whether it exists or not, or when can we expect to see it. The MIUI Gallery app has already confirmed that there is indeed a Mi 11 Pro, and there are already rumors that it is launching in February this year. Now we have got an image that shows the design of camera module on this phone, and this design matches the design that was shown by the case renders of Mi 11 and Mi 11 Pro, which leaked more than a month ago. Since those case renders showed the actual design of Mi 11, we are assuming that this newly leaked image shows how the Mi 11 Pro actually looks like. So as we can see, the biggest upgrade over the Xiaomi Mi 11 is going to be in terms of the cameras. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro has a quad camera setup on the back, so it has a larger camera module as compared to the square-shaped camera module on the Mi 11. The star of the show is that periscope camera, which offers up to 120 times zoom. Now this is not the first Xiaomi device to have a 120x zoom camera, because last year we got the Mi 10 Ultra with the same zooming capability. So assuming that the periscope camera on the Mi 11 Pro is the same as that on the Mi 10 Ultra, there is 10x optical zoom. We don't know yet whether the primary camera has a different camera sensor or it is the same 108 megapixel camera as seen on the Mi 11. In fact, as per some sources, the display is exactly the same on both the phones, which means the Mi 11 Pro has the same 6.81-inch 2K AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 1500 nits of peak brightness. Now apart from the cameras, it is still a mystery as what other upgrades the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro brings over the Mi 11, but we are expecting faster charging speeds and a bigger battery. Anyways, that's it for this video, and do let me know what do you think of the Mi 11 Pro's design as shown by these images. As always, I'll catch you in the next one.